Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your PlayStation 4 account without your friends seeing it. Now, to appear offline, you can go to your profile right here and select this, and then you can go to Set Online Status and appear offline, so your friends won't see online. But you can do this before you log in. So if I hold down the PlayStation button, I go to Switch User right here. Here's the login screen. Go over the account you want to pick, and then press Options on it. So if I go to this account and press Options on it, it says, login with online status, appear offline. It says you will appear offline on PlayStation Network. However, note, the following within a game you might appear online to other players. So like Call of Duty or Battlefield. Some of these games just have their own online friends list that has crossplay on it, and you'll still appear online to those people. So let's go to OK, then log in, and you can see your status over here on your profile once again. And you'll see your status on your profile. So you can see there's a blue little circle right there. If I change it to appear offline, it will be a red circle with an X in it. So let's go to appear offline. This is how it will look on your profile. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.